Bye, musta diha? The lighting is so weird right now. The sun is setting. Ya, kanang maigo siya sa kong naong and sige siya change. And kanina kay gloomy siya. And karon mag-blown out now. So I keep on changing the exposure here sa akong ND filter. But other than that, yes, let's talk about what we need to talk about. So in saying that, let's talk about the things that we need to talk about. Things that things that I want to talk about. Anyway, I got this from DigiDirect from Mark in Melbourne. Not sponsored. Mark is my good friend. But if ever you want to buy gears, you can go to DigiDirect Melbourne. Tell them that I sent you there and look for Mark or Brad or even Tamer, whoever you go there. Anyway, I just got this one here. It's the Godox V1 Mid and it's a flash. So for context, I do weddings here in Melbourne. I do a lot of weddings. I do my own thing also, and I use a lot of flash, especially kung gabi. So the thing is, I've been using this flash here. This is the Godox V1 because this flash is so good. It's very reliable. It's all in. So muna siya ang first good flash sa Godox wherein I don't have to worry and it has a lot of power and everything. It just really works. So I've been using this with my A7 III, with my A7 IV, A9, my A1. But the thing is, usa sa mga things na wala na ko ganahan is it's just too big. So you can say because the battery is so big, so dako sa gid siya and it needs a lot of power. So the battery is like this. It's so big. So and I've been trying to find a way to make this smaller. So I've tried this flash here, kani siyang TT350. It's really tiny. It's really good, but di siya kasugakod. Hinay siya power and dali siya ma-discharge because it uses AA batteries also. So it's not really reliable for me. So I've been using this flash. I've been trying to find ways, and then this V1 came. So let's jump right into it. So this Godox V1 is placed on this case here. Kaning V1 Mid. This is Godox V1 Mid. The Godox V1 it has a case also. Yang case kay mura siya cordura murag rough na kanang nylon case. Kani siya tingog na on ako. Off na to. So kani siya is kanang made from mura siya kanang nylon gyapon pero smooth. The only thing I've noticed is wala siya kanang belt loop. So usually naman na belt loop kasi butang lang muskilid ko yung flash. But this one doesn't have that. So yeah, that's one thing you have to take note. What's inside? Na siya kanang gamay nga flash stand, just like the others. Here it is. And yeah, it's pretty good in case. But yeah, you see the flash itself. Let me just compare the two. Yeah. So here's the two flashes. So as you can see, kung mubo gid ang usa. And other than mubo, it's like it's pretty good. It's pretty light. Gamay ra ang difference sa weight if you just check on the specs and everything. Gamay ra ang difference sa weight, but you really can feel the weight, and at the same time also, as you can see, it's really, this one's really big. So kani also kani pud siya is that whenever I use this one here, daghan siya buttons. I like it because it's like kuan siya maka-feel ka sa buttons pa. But I have had two of these na ang buttons di na mo work, especially kaning circle di na mo work, kanang mura siya buongot and everything. So yeah, that's one of the annoying things. The good thing about this one here is kanang sa una plastic sa diya ihang bottom, but they change it with this metal. And kung maguba siya, you have replacements. You can just buy replacement. So it's very good. This one is analog. As you can see, it's analog. So okay ra siya. The new one is not analog. It's like digital. So napa siya gamay nga kanang physical buttons, but it's digital. It's touchscreen. So it's good. But the thing is, dili ko anad og touchscreen. I kinda hated the touchscreen kay So kung basa imong fingers and you're in a rush, you can't change the settings. Mura siya, dili ka siya work sa imong finger or something. I didn't like it then, but I'm starting to learn to like it more. So it should be good. It should be good. The main thing na ganahan ko ani, it's light. It's not like this na when I'm using this with my A7C2. Gamay kang A7C2. It's really top heavy. You see that? Let me just change that here. So it's really top heavy. You can see I'm even using a longer lens here. Kani siyang 20 to 70, pero sakit siya murag. Masakit yung wrist because it's heavy. So I've just placed this here. And yeah, voila, it's very good. It's not that small, but it's powerful, and it's just good. It's just right. It's just sakto lang weight. It's just good. It's not really top heavy. It's a bit heavy, but it's not really the same as that na murag masakit akong wrist. So this is a game changer for me. The power is not that strong, but the thing is I don't do full power atong flash, so it should be all right. One of the things that I've noticed though, pag unbox na ko kanina, is that hagtak na lang mga stuff. Anyway, one of the things that I noticed though, when pag unbox na ko kanina, is that kanina akong V1, this is the original one. I use this all the time kasi nindot na siya. Ibitan mo diha, pak, haklap, nindot kayo. The new V1 Mid has a smaller head. It still works. Pilit siya, di siya matagak. It's really good. But as you can see, let's just change the setting in the camera. Look at that. As you can see, naa siya gamayng mamaklaro. Naa siya gamayng ridge diha. So dili kay siya flush ba. Dili siya kanang murag smooth. So naa siya gamayng, you see, you can see it here. So yeah, there you go. So naa siya gamayng di siya flushed. So maybe the future me is gonna be annoyed with it, or I don't know, but yeah, I think I'd be annoyed with it in the first few weeks na akong gamiton. Later, it's just not bad. You just put it on top and it's just good. You can remove it, just put it sa bag inani. But yeah, just for you guys who are very particular with your gears and everything, and you don't want any hot spot, it's not flushed. Abi na kong flushed siya pag palit na ko, but yeah, you see, it's like I can feel it. I can feel it. I can feel that. So muna siya, just that you know, but it just works. And yeah, this flash is really a game changer for me. It's lighter. Most of the gears I have now is that it's lighter the better, because kanang less stress ka sa paggamit and everything else. It also includes the powering cable or the charging cable and the power brick, pero old USB, not USB-C. It's a good thing. So yeah, this one ticks the boxes. I'm gonna test it in the next few days, and then whatever I can find out, I'm just gonna report to you guys. But other than that, yeah, that's it. Very good flash. Nasa di siya kanang square nga version. I've used this flash here. If you want to have the square version, not the round head version, you can buy the 480 version. So that 480 version, pareha siyang power, which is less. This is like 76 watts, and this is like 56 watts. So 56, 76. It's just near. It's like, yeah, it's like 20 watts difference, but I don't do full power, so di mo bantayan. Yeah, it's really light. It's really light. Again, na siya in aning head. Na siya option for this type of head, but I didn't buy it. I might buy it next time, because yeah, just yeah, next time. Anyway, yeah, that's it. If you have any questions about this flash here, if you have any concerns, if you want any further feedback, you can just post your messages down there, and may pungotana, just post it there, and I'll try to answer it. At the same time, as soon as the wedding season is going to be back here in Australia, I'll be using this a lot. And I'll do feedback. Oh, one thing I forgot. This one uses this flash here. I mean, this battery here, not flash. So this flash uses this battery here. I'm going to change the setting here. This is a tiny battery, and the good thing about this battery here is that not a USB-C slot. So what that means is that when you're on the field where you're somewhere shooting, you don't need a charger. You just need a power brick or kanang power brick, kanang murag charger ba. But you don't need a charging dock for it. You just plug USB-C, any USB-C power bank or anything. You can just plug it there, and it should work. So ang previous one has these batteries here. They're very big. So these are the previous batteries, and you would need a power a dock for it, like murag tanganan para maka-charge ka. And these are heavy. The thing with that is if you leave the charging dock, you can't charge it. Like para sa ako, I travel interstate, I travel overseas for shoots, and if I ever leave that fucking thing, that power thing, well, good luck. My friend from Davao, he's a photographer from Davao, is that he came here to Australia and he realized he forgot his charging dock, so he had to contact me. Good thing na ko yung daghan charging dock extra, so I just lent him that. But kung wala ko adto, he would have no flash when he's overseas. But yeah, that's a good thing about it. Though the new ones, if you want to go 100 watts, they have the 100 watts version, and it's like it's also USB-C charging, so it's very good. They've moved to USB-C charging within the battery, not needing a dock. So good job, Godox. Not sponsored. Anyway, wala na siya. This is just a quick video, and I can see the sun just blazing, and I don't know. Hindi na moody ang effect karon. Hide na kayo. Anyway, that's it. Also, one more thing. One more thing. If you like my content, if you enjoy my content, just go down there and just subscribe or leave a comment or give me a like. You know what to do. Thanks, guys.